What's up YouTube? So meron lang tayong pag-usapan dito, no? Isi-share ko lang ito dahil nangyari na to about 2 hours ago lang nangyayari, no? So as nakita nyo dito, fuel injector po ito, complete set of fuel injector. So dito sa taas, ito yung kanyang electrical or electronic like solenoid in here. Solenoid that will act as a trigger to push down the needle, fuel injector needle, to open and close, open and close. So solenoid here, like yung tinira natin kanina na Volkswagen Passat 2011 model. Sira yung kanyang injector nung sinaksakan natin ng nung nakita natin yung makina. As you can see there, as you can see on our video, it has a bad, really bad vibration, very bad vibration. Tapos nung sinaksakan natin ng computer, it says cylinder, fuel injector cylinder number 2 circuit. So pag sinabing circuit, kadalasan ito po yung kadalasan masisira. Ito kadalasan po ito sa mga electronic component ng mga injector, which is dito. Ito yung kanyang tinatawag na solenoid here. Inside is a solenoid, and then ito yung kadalasan masira. So ang unit na ito is a injector body. Inside there is a needle, and then ang system kasi, ang nangyari is hindi matanggal-tanggal yung kanyang fuel injector body kasi nag-seize yan, seize. So dahil nag-seize yung kanyang fuel injector, it needs like pneumatic tools to remove. So talking about pneumatic tools, is some kind of air system that you're going to put it in here, like the socket here, and then loaded with the pneumatic tools like air drive, and then pagka outside kasi wala na tayo noon. So dahil hindi natin matanggal yung kanyang fuel injector because it sees, fuel injector body sees, then the plan B is to just replace the solenoid which is on top of the injector. This union nut here, the union nut, it has like a 25 mil spanner, no? This one open spanner, 25 millimeter, and then when you have the new one, just remove the solenoid, and then once you remove, you just put on top of this on the other injector that is in the system. So just like that. So see to it that this one here is like around like 45 or 15 degrees from the pointing, like 10 or 15 degrees from the connector itself on the fuel. Okay, so that's it, and then that's the best thing you can do in order to address or to solve the problem of fuel injector misfiring. So that's the best thing to do. Once the fuel injector body sees, or the injector sees, then there's no way there's no way that you can remove it because you need pneumatic tools. All you have to do is just remove the solenoid valve here, or the solenoid valve, or the solenoid sensor, whatever, just like this, using 25 mm spanner depending on what model that you have. And just when you're removing this, just be careful not to squash out the very very tiny o-ring in here. See that, very very tiny, and that's o-ring that is very very important. Very very important to seal the seats inside here. So this is the needle here, as you can see. This is the needle, and this is like a kind of firing pin, this one here. And when the solenoid push down, it will fire up here on the needle of the injector, and then the fuel spray after. So that is, guys, if the diagnostics, it says injector circuit or fuel injector circuit, this is the main thing here. This is the one, the solenoid valve injector is malfunctioning. So instead of removing the fuel injector body, you just change this one here. So, and some of the models also, they are like coded, no? Coded system. So if it is coded system, that's another story. But Volkswagen, they don't have that coding system on the fuel injector. So that's all you need to do. Once the fuel injector sees, just change the or try to change the solenoid valve, because this injector body here is sometimes is very very hard to remove. I tell you, heaven and earth, is very very hard to remove. So, and to remove that, you need the proper tools, as we speak, proper tools. And speaking of proper tools, injector removal tools, it's expensive. So that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.